Hello everyone, Ojisan here. Today I'm going to show you how to get to Shirakawago from Tokyo the easy and stress-free way. Right now I'm at Tokyo Station waiting for the Shinkansen to Kanazawa Station. Shirakawago is one of Japan's most popular travel destinations, famous for its traditional gassho-zukuri houses and beautiful scenery. But getting there from Tokyo can be confusing because there is no direct train. So, in this video, I'll explain everything step by step. There are two main routes to reach Shirakawago from Tokyo, via Kanazawa from the north and via Takayama from the south. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also compare both routes and help you decide which one is better for your trip. Personally, I almost always go via Kanazawa because it's more direct and requires fewer transfer. That's the route I'm taking in this video. From Tokyo Station, take the Hokuriku Shinkansen to Kanazawa Station. The ride takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes and costs 14,400 yen. Once you arrive at Kanazawa Station, you'll need to take a reserved express bus to Shirakawago. The bus is operated by Nouhi Bus. The ride will take about 1 hour and 25 minutes and cost 2,800 yen one way. Nouhi Bus operates express buses to Shirakawago from both Kanazawa and Takayama. Important notes, all buses to Shirakawago require advance reservation and tickets usually open 1 month before departure. You can book directly on the official Nouhi Bus website www.nouhibus.co.jp. The second option is going via Takayama. This route is great if you want to explore Takayama Old Town, which is a beautiful destination by itself. However, it requires more transfers. From Tokyo, take the Shinkansen to Nagoya Station. This costs 11,100 yen and takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes. From Nagoya, continue to Takayama Station by train. The ride takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes and costs 6,140 yen. And then, from Takayama Station, take a reserved bus to Shirakawago. The bus ride takes about 15 minutes and costs 2,800 yen. Which route should you choose? If you want the simplest and most direct route, I strongly recommend going via Kanazawa. Fewer transfers, less stress, and beautiful scenery along the way. If you have more time and want to explore another historic town, then Takayama is a great option. For me, Kanazawa is always my choice. This is the comparison between the two. Now, let's continue. At Kanazawa Station, exit from the west exit and go to bus stop number 4. That's where the Shirakawago buses depart. That's all the video for today. If this guide helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And as always, may you have joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.